Which of the following is not a recommended method for sterilizing medical equipment? Let's look at the choices and see which one is not appropriate. So option A says autoclave. An autoclave is in fact a high pressure machine, kind of looking like this, that is used for medical grade instruments and equipment for sterilizing them. And therefore, since this question is asking which is not an appropriate choice, and this is an appropriate choice, we can eliminate it. But let's just say for test-taking purposes, maybe you forgot what an autoclave is and you're not sure if this isn't a choice. So on the side, we're just going to have another column, and let's say that if this is in your not sure category, you would be leaving this open maybe, and then coming back to it based on the other options. Option B states germicidal disinfectants. And yes, germicidal, that means that it gets rid of all of the germs or the infectious agents that could potentially be on the instrument. And that would be an appropriate way for sterilizing medical equipment, so we can eliminate that. Option B states microwave oven. And a microwave oven is not used for sterilizing equipment or cleaning in most cases. It's used for maybe heating things up or increasing the temperature using microwave settings. But since this question is stating which is not recommended, and we're stating that microwave ovens are not a recommended method for sterilizing, in this case that would be our answer. And then option D says instrument cleaner. And yes, if there's something that's used to clean your instruments, then it would in fact be an appropriate way to sterilize medical equipment, so we could eliminate that. So looking back at our not sure category, let's say that you got to that point and you could understand germicidal, you could reason that that would not be the answer, and then you see instrument cleaner and you know what that is, and you could reason that's not the answer. So if that was the case that you really weren't sure what autoclave is, you could probably still come to the conclusion that microwave is the correct choice, because between the two, if you're not sure what autoclave is, but you know for sure a microwave oven would not be used to sterilize equipment, you could still arrive at the right answer. So just some food for thought when you're going through test-taking questions, different strategies to try.